afternoon session has been kind of growing on me. Signed in about an hour ago. Just grabbed this short off of yesterday's open. Look at this beautiful candle. Big wick, tiny little body. Point of control drawn up into the wick. Got a wick on the delta too. Got into a short there. Looking to retest the 20. We dipped down and just been bopping around in this cluster of key levels here. Back and forth between the 250 SMA and the 20 SMA. I'm trying out these ADX reversal signals. I've got the ADX painting the insides of the candles again. There's something special about the ADX dots, and I really like it painting the inside of the candles instead of the dots. We just got a bullish ADX right there on this 1 minute. Getting a nice pop up. Made some single bar divergence on this 5-minute candle. Had a break lower, nice pop down. Single bar divergence on this candle. Breaking above, getting a nice little pop up. Got some Chaikin divergence over here on the ES. This is the ES 5-minute chart. This is the NQ 5-minute chart. And this is the NQ 1-minute chart. And this arrow is not supposed to be printing on each tick. I changed it on the 1 minute, but I haven't changed it on the 5-minute yet. I've got the ADX reversals. The look back period of 3, overbought 70, oversold 30. I want these to be on bar close. Now that I just took away both of those arrows that printed on each tick, I just think they're more solid if they're printing on bar close, at least for those particular signals. Sometimes I prefer when they print on each tick, but you just end up getting a lot more signals, which can be a good thing or a bad thing, just depending. If it's a choppy time of day, having more signals can be a good thing. We got about 10 minutes to 350. I actually like it short. If I think it's going to pop up during the 350 algorithm, then the 10 minutes leading up to it kind of favors shorts. I feel like it tries to balance out before the algorithm hits. But this system has all of my favorite goodies all in one. Keeping it simple with the 1 minute and the 5-minute NQ charts. And then I've got another 5-minute ES chart just to look for confluence with ES delta and ES levels. After a few days of trading the YM and the RTY on the charts too, it was just a little too overwhelming. I'm only using a 1-screen setup, so my screen space is pretty precious. I've also been playing around with footprint charts again, just to see if I was missing out on anything. I traded with footprint charts for many years, never really found them to be super helpful. That's why I've simplified everything down to what I have now. And after a few days of trading on the footprint charts, I'm very glad to be back to my simple charts that I've got here. I was starting to trade imbalances again and looking for imbalances in the wicks and in the bodies and stacked imbalances and washouts, all kinds of different order flow type stuff. And I found the hit rate and percentage win rate to just not be that great over the long term, and I just don't like having to look at all those numbers. I was even doing the tick aggregation and making it easier to read by having 8 ticks per level instead of just 1 on the NQ, but still just didn't find anything that really made me want to go back to trading footprint charts. I was even using ChatGPT to try to code some indicators that would look for imbalances on regular candlesticks, but still, just nothing that works as good as what I've been doing. Constantly trying to expand my horizons while sticking with what works at the same time. Just got to pull back to the current day open and yesterday's open, getting a nice bounce off of that area again. Just got into a short right before the 350 algorithm hits. We had a couple minutes left. We were pulling up to this previous day VWAP close and the pivot point. Went short, added some more micros to the pile. These charts have all the goodies. Got Heikin-Ashi painting the outline. Got cumulative delta painting the background. Got the ADX momentum painting the insides of the candles. Got the ultimate delta histograms. Got the key levels. Got the ultimate VWAP with the previous day VWAP closes. Got my favorite moving averages on the chart. Got these special ordering buttons so I can get in and out of market orders with great ease. These are the innovative ordering buttons from NINZA. There are links in the description. Code MonkeyMan will get you the absolute best discount possible. I'm also using their daily market profile on the 60-minute chart. So I'm just looking back at the 5-minute chart here. Had a nice ADX reversal signal there. Some nice divergence there. Just following the background colors. So many great trading opportunities just following the cumulative delta flow. Even just the Heikin-Ashi outlines. great trading opportunities. Then when the ADX insides turn bearish here with this black color, getting some nice down moves. When it turns bullish, this white color, getting some reversals there, pulling back up to the 20. This candle, we got some single bar divergence, point of control up into the wick right off of the 20. ADX turns bearish with the black inside of the candle, close below VWAP, great move down. Then down at the bottom, the ADX turns bullish. Then all the other systems come online, great move up. ADX starts turning bearish here, nice move down. ADX turns bullish, nice move up. I've got the ultimate delta painting the single bar divergence. So when I see single bar divergence on a candle like this, got the yellow inside of the candle indicating the single bar divergence. Huge wick right off the 20, point of control up into the wick. Looking for a break lower than the low of this candle. Great move down there. Just got an ADX reversal arrow on the 1 minute here. Nice little move down. Getting rejected right off of this previous day VWAP close here. Oh man, look at this setup. We got an ADX reversal arrow here. Got single bar divergence. And look at the wick on this delta. It was up to 4,000 all the way back down to like 600. Huge wick on the delta. So I'm looking for a break lower than the low of this single bar divergent candle. And also right below these two key levels, the 20 SMA and yesterday's New York Open. Got the break lower, just popped down over 5 points there on the ES. This ADX reversal arrow back here turned out to be a great signal. Bearish ADX coming in, black insides of the candles, red on red action the whole way down. Now we're getting some divergence right at this little cluster of key levels. Although it's after 4 o'clock, I'm not going to be doing any trading right into the close here. That's going to be it for me today. Hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. There are links to all the MMT indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is absolutely amazing. Thanks so much for the support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.